I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Can you not say 1,000?
Ang sorry.
1,000? You can say 1,000. 1,000!
I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Say 1,000!
1,000.
That's it. Okay, start again. Three.
Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to Mimi's Kitchen. A little bit of trivia, why we call it Mimi's Kitchen, it's because my nickname is actually Mimi. Okay, my family called me Mimi all the time. That's why we called it Mimi's Kitchen, because Michelle is very common na siya. So today, I am here because I wanted to say thank you to all of you guys for supporting me throughout this journey. So most especially to my family, to my friends, to my co-workers, to my relatives, to our ACLC students, kay grabe yun ang ilang suporta sa ako. So daghan jud kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. So this is a very memorable day because we already hit 1,000 subscribers for just 2 months. So duha lang ka buwan ato nang na-hit ang 1,000 subscribers. So it's not gonna be possible without you guys. So daghan jud kayong salamat. Honestly, I am very humbled. I am very happy. I am very overwhelmed for all the supports na inyong gihatag sa ako from the start up to now. Actually, I am very new to this, so I'm still learning. I wanted to improve every day, most especially making new contents on my channel. But I just wanted to say that I am not a professional chef and I am not pretending to be. I don't pretend to be because I am not really a chef. But this is my passion. I love to eat and I love to cook and I love to share it to you as well. So next stop is to hit 4,000 watch hours, which is very, very, very hard. So jud kayo siya abuton ang 4,000 watch hours. That's why I am here again to ask you, to ask help from you, to please keep watching, please keep subscribing, please keep sharing my videos, and don't forget to give us comments, suggestions, because it's a big help to us. So I guess that's all. Thank you again and God bless us all.
I've finally hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm so overwhelmed at the support and interest.
That's so long.
Alright.
I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Can you not say 1,000?
I'm sorry.
1,000? Maybe you can say 1,000. 1,000!
I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Say 1,000!
1,000.
That's it. Okay, start again. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm so overwhelmed at the support.
I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Right, come on. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm so overwhelmed at the support and interest from all those who have subscribed.
I finally because of you, you make me
What?
laugh.
It's alright.
I finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Mimi's Kitchen, take 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to that you're always there for me. So daghan kay Start again.
Okay, Smiler, let's go. Do it again. You started
Let's do it.
You getting your confidence.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to Miss Kitchen. Thank you and God bless.